Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to DoneDeal in a quick and easy way so you can start using the integration without getting lost in the settings. If you've been trying to link your apps and want a simple step-by-step walkthrough, this tutorial will save you time and make the process much easier. And if this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile. From there, open Settings. This is where all of your account and app connection options are located. So this is the place we need to be. Inside Settings, click on Apps. This section is where ChatGPT lets you manage and connect different apps and services. Once the apps page opens, look for the option to add more apps or connectors. Click on Add More so you can search for the app you want to connect. Now use the search bar and type in DoneDeal. As you type, ChatGPT will begin showing matching apps in the directory. When DoneDeal appears, click on it to open the app page. This is the app you want to connect to ChatGPT. On the DoneDeal app page, you'll see a Connect button. Click on Connect to begin the authorization process. After that, you may see another Connect prompt, so go ahead and click Connect again if it appears. This usually confirms that you want ChatGPT to link with DoneDeal and gives the platform permission to proceed. Once the connection is approved, go back and start a new chat. In the chat window, click the plus icon to open more tools and options. Then click on More if needed, because this is where connected apps and extra actions are usually available. Now you should be able to select a DoneDeal from the connected options, click on DoneDeal, and that's it. The connection is complete. At this point, ChatGPT should be linked to DoneDeal, and you can begin using the integration in your chats depending on what features are available in your account. If you want to make the setup even smoother, take a moment to double check that you're signed into the correct ChatGPT account before connecting, especially if you use multiple accounts for personal and work tasks. It's also a good idea to make sure you grant access only when you're actually ready to use the app, so your connected tools stay organized. And just like that, you've connected ChatGPT to DoneDeal. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.